water. Kumusta mga Meskipops? Today we train our two borbs to feed by themselves. They're not used to it at all. You put everything. Then we'll train them how to eat on their own. Gradually. Oh, hey! Oh, they want water. Now they want water. Okay. Hey. If you dare shake it. Hey. I dare you. Hey. Wait. Please. Do you want to hold this for me? No. Nauuhaw din yun eh.
I know.
The water's over here. The water. There you go. Well, I said it too soon. Oh, too much, but okay.
Patuka mo nga. Yeah.
Then, I guess Chariz yan. Hey, you're so hungry. Okay.
Ayan na sila mga ka-Meskipops. Anong pangalan, Angel? You named them already?
Yes. This is Chariz and this is Riz.
Si Riz and Chariz. Alam daw ang pangalan ng aming Martinez, sabi ni Ate Angel. Kasi siya nag-aalaga niyan. So, siya nang bahala magbinyag ng pangalan yung dalawang yan. Yeah.
Oh. You want? Oh, now you're hungry. Oh. You didn't even touch it.
See?
You want? Or... Oh. Beautiful. Wait. What's wrong with my fingers? Is my fingers hot dogs? Do they look like hot dogs? Do you want to eat my fingers? Do you want to eat my finger? Okay.
Chariz at saka si Riz. Alright. Ganda ng mga pangalan Ayan sila mga ka-Meskipops. Nakakawala lang dito sa loob ng bahay kaya tad na lang ipot itong loob ng bahay namin. Ayan mga punta siya rito. Ayan.
Chariz burned her lips.
Okay, it's
Chariz
okay.
burned her lips.
Did it dip?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah. Oh! Hey, stop bonking each other.
Did they start to talk now? Not yet?
Not yet, but it sounds like they're trying to copy though, but not actually. Why is this cat white? Okay.
So, yan mga ka-Meskipops, ang update natin dito sa dalawang Martinez natin. So,
They're okay.
what?
They're okay.
Sige. Punta Angel, punta na naman siya sa'yo. Yan yung siya.
And poop.
And it's gonna poop. Oh. Ayan na, umipot na naman sa printer. Ang problema dito sa mga to. Ipot dito, ipot dyan. Ayan.
Okay, playing time.
Alis ka dyan sa printer.
Technical difficulties.
Oh my goodness.